Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today we will try to hit the 50k. Hopefully we're going to take some beautiful trades. This is already a QM which played out and we wasn't on the market today, but now we have a Dogi trade waiting for us, just like the previous one, right? So after breaking a Dogi to the upside, we can take a retracement trade. Again, breaking the Dogi to the upside, we're going to take a retracement trade. Okay, let me just draw the common point of rejection. All right, we have also a common point of rejection, which it didn't give us the entry. I take a sell, two sells right here. If it goes up to this yellow line, I will add more trades because we also have this round number and this common point of rejection, right? So when you have a ranging market like this is a ranging market, right? The market moves like that. So it's just going to move it until it breaks and goes to a trendy market. And we will take advantage of it. We use the Doji breaks, psycho patterns and all that in these kind of markets, right? So this is going to be my first trade. Let's see if we're going to win this. All right, it's about to close. Oh my god. It's gonna give me a heart attack. 2, 1, let's get it. There was no way we lose this. Alright, I'm just gonna move on and see if we can find another good one. I do not like trading at the weekends, but I don't know, weekends are so bad, man, sometimes. You're either not able to find good setups or some beautiful setups just fail. I don't know why that is, but I do not suggest people to trade on weekends. Let's see if I can find a good one. Alright, this is a QM. It's already played out, unfortunately. Let me see. We have a support area down here. If this candle closes here, I might take a buy. If we have another confirmation, like a gap down or something, I will take this trade. But since after the second touch we don't have a higher high, I will not take it after the breakout. Okay, it might work, but I don't think. All right, it's a gap up, so I'm not even gonna think about this taking this. If I see a, we have a demand area down here. If I see a 5-second, yeah, I go with the buyers. This is a 5-second confirmation for me, this candle. That's why I take this trade, no problem. And this is actually a breakout trade, but instead of this higher high, which it didn't have the higher high, okay, we used 5-second confirmation to enter this trade, but little gap up in the favor of sellers. Okay, so we have a balance of sellers and buyers, fight here, which it seems that the seller is going to win this trade. This is what happens when you do not respect setups rules. But if this gap up wasn't here, I am 100% sure this would be a green one. No problem. We will look for other pairs. We're gonna make the losses up with taking good trades, okay? You don't want to take random trades. All right. Okay, so we got the same setup right here. See, first touch, second touch. But this time we got the higher high compared to previous one, which we didn't have the higher high. So if we break this zone, I will go with the buyers, right? Let's see what's gonna happen. It's also a low, like a QM. See, this is a QM zone, just like this. So the price is starting from this QM zone with this gap down in the favor of buyers. So normally we're gonna have this green candle right here. Imagine if they reject and close like this. I will take multiple trades on this trade if this happens, but I don't think it's going to happen. All right, the buyers are kind of strong. I'll wait for this one to be broken. Okay. All right, we have a double doji waiting for us. We will wait for breakout. This is a supply area for me. Right, this is a supply area, just as this one. I will mark it. So it means that the sellers, all right, hold on. All right, it's about to break this zone. I will try to see if there's any other reasons. I will mark this previous buyer's entry down here. So in case, if it jumps on this buyer's entry, it's going to be a short shot. Let me see, we have this buyer's entry here as well. Okay, this is a buyer's entry. So this intersection here is so strong. Oh man, please break this. I want to take a very nice trade here. We also can take this if it closes on this round number and the support area. Okay, it's about to break. 2, 1. Let's go. I go 2 trades here. We got the gap up, gap down, and as the confirmation. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. We got this QM up here. Let me just see if if it worked out or just didn't reach up. Right, this is a QM zone. I will check the confirmation. We don't have engulf, right? For this QM, we don't have confirmation at the higher time frame, so we wouldn't even think about taking this. What about this one? We have another QM down here, right? Which apparently it worked. All right, the buyer is gonna enter. And also we have this sequence here as a minor confirmation for us. See, 2 red, green, 1 red. 2 red, green, 1 red. Right? So we actually taking this trade. See this candle? It's this candle's brothers. Okay, we're taking this candle. Right, something like that. It's a minor confirmation for us, the market sequence, okay? But we have a QM also waiting for us on this pair. I will just mark it. This is another QM, right? See, high, low, high, high, and then broke the previous swing. This is going to be my QM zone. I will check the confirmation first at the 3-minute time frame. We don't see any engulf here yet. We go to the 5 minutes. All right, we see the 5-minute engulfing pattern. And inside of this 5 minutes, we have the QM setup, okay? So I will go to the lower time frame step by step to find the supply area. This is the supply area, but it's not fresh. I'll go one more time to the lower time frame. I don't see any fresh supply. I do not see. Oh man, I don't see any fresh supply here, but I see something, right? We see this little overlapping area in this little thing zone. Inside of this zone, we have this little overlapping level, which we had that in 10 seconds as well. So they are something, right? So if you look at this, oh my god, what happened? If you look at this one right here, we started with a gap up, so something has been disappeared from here. So I can consider this as a supply. This is a bit, you know, you really need to understand this, because if you look at this, these 2 candles, the next candle opens from up, right? Comes down right there. So there's a missing green candle, right? Normally it will be like this, the green one and then the red one, but this green one is missing right here. So this start, look, it looks like this, right? It looks like exactly this. Okay, I hope it was clear. All right, let me see. If the price comes up, I will take a small trade on this one. Since we didn't find the proper supply, I will make it small, right? I will just move. Oh, there's a. Oh man, this connection is annoying. All right, I'm gonna just refresh this thing. Come on, bro, it's so annoying. Okay, let me see. All right, we will wait for this one to come up. I will remove the other lines. Let's see. Okay, fuck it. All right, we missed this doji trade. Do you remember these double dojis here? As you can see, we broke this 2 dojis. We could take this trade right? We also broke the supply area, so we had two confirmations. This is ABC to the downside. We broke the ABC, we broke everything. We could take this trade. Now, unfortunately, we were not on this chart. All right, it's fine. We'll move on. Oh, look at this. This is another doji. How beautiful is this, man? It's closing exactly at the support. This one also broke it. It worked. See? We have a trend line here. You know, dojis work best in these kind of markets. Okay, remember that. All right. Guys, by the way, make sure you join the Telegram channel if you are planning to become my students. I see a lot of people asking about the mentorship and the details about it. I will post it next week, and I will try to get some new students. If you're interested, just join the Telegram channel and stay tuned. I'm not able to find a okay, we find one. First touch, second touch, lower low. This is a breakout setup. And for this one. Alright, I want to take this buy right here. If it comes down, I will add one more. Come on. Let's go, I'll add two more here. I'll mark this zone right here. I mean, the support area. We have an opportunity here, right? If you don't know, the dojis have memories, right? It means if we break a doji, it's gonna work. See, first time broken, worked. Second time broken, it worked. So now we're breaking it again. This is the second time it's been broken, right? There we go. It was all winning trades. And this is also closing, starting from the support area, right? So we have always other reasons to take it, okay? I consider everything when I'm taking the trade. If you are trying to imitate what I'm doing, you have to know that. You have to be well trained. I mean, I become profitable after 2 years, right? And now my students becoming profitable after 6 months, okay? 4 to 6 months. It means that this is a process. It looks easy, right? Trading looks easy, but it's a process. It will take a lot of time to experience so many mind states, so many stuff. For example, here, nobody would notice this sequence of 4 red and then green, right? It's also support area. This is a major setup for us. This is a minor setup for us. Doji is a major setup for us, okay? That's why, all right, we have a huge gap up, but, you know, normally I want to take, there's no setup, man, but okay, I'm not gonna take this. But usually these gap ups, they are confirmation for us. It means that when we see gap up, the sellers more likely to get into the market if there's enough reasons, okay? But that doesn't mean that you can go all around the market and find all the gaps and take all of them. You're not gonna get any results because this is a confirmation. This is not even a setup, right? You need to know the setups, you need to know the confirmations. We have major setups, we have minor setups, right? All right, I think that's enough for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Oh my God, we didn't hit the 50K yet, but we will hit it next. Oh. We got another doji. It means that the universe is calling us to hit the 50K today, right? Okay, so I will wait for this one to be broken again because, you know, it's exactly at the same place. We got this little overlap at the middle. We are in a ranging market. I mean, nothing can stop me from taking this trade. I hope I'm not embarrassed. Oh, all right, I'm just gonna wait for this one. And then I will take this. All right, come on, it didn't even break. I'll wait for the next candle, okay? I'll wait for the next candle. All right, this one, I go with the sellers right now. It's closing exactly at the resistance area. We also have this lower low, okay? So we took this one. Also, we'll take that one, right? This doji break. There's no way I don't take this. This is super clean, right? We have the, you know, this is the proper market. All right, I wish I was taking double trade on that one. We're so close to 50K. All right, it's breaking from the downside. I'm gonna take this. Let me just see. All right, we 700. Oh, it didn't even break that. Fucking hell. All right, I'm just gonna stop right here. It's, you know, it's 50K technically, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed, and peace out.